Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC off the Trans-Canada Highway. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in white platinum with black leather interior. Seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This is a 4x4. It also has an FX4 off-road package, a Lariat chrome appearance package, as well as a trailer tow package. It's a 5-liter V8 and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as power folding mirrors and memory for the driver's seat. You also have that wood inlay design in the door. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have your power pedals located here, lighting controls, as well as LED side view mirror spotlights. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and your steering wheel has power tilt and telescope. On the face of it, dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and I'm going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu you can toggle through. So trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the badging for the B&O audio system, as well as a little cubby up above. You have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for better fuel economy. Your display screen has navigation with a map, as well as where your backup camera view will appear when you're in reverse. And we can touch on the screen, you just saw me do that. Sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, Bluetooth. As well, you can go into your settings and slide through for things like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, and anything that you want there you can just slide through and touch. You're also seeing in the climate control there, you've got your heated steering wheel up above, and then when you touch on the screen again, you've got your options. Down below is your volume and tuner, and you've also got your CD player. You've got dual climate control for both driver and passenger, so you can touch on these as well to make changes with your heated seat or cooled seat for driver and passenger, AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller, and in the cubby you're seeing USB outlets. On your select shifter there, that's automatic. You've also got drive mode, so when we push on that, it'll appear on the dash, and you've got normal, tow haul, whoops, I just lost it, there you go, snow wet, eco, and sport, and then it comes back around again. And there's some cup holders. You can open up your armrest, and inside more storage. You've got a bin and a 12-volt outlet, and lots of room in there. And off to the side, a 12-volt as well as a 110 outlet. That's located there. A locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror. You've got your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and as well you've got the button to slide that power back window, and then when you want some fresh air, simply push the button and your moonroof will slide right open. 20-inch BF Goodrich KO2 tires, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, and this also has a leveling kit. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have backup camera just below that handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up the tailgate, simply double click your fob and it powers it open for you. You have a nice hard tonneau cover that's a tri-fold, and inside it's nicely lined, and there's tie downs in all 4 corners. On your fob, you also have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and wood grain inlay. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, an armrest and a couple of cup holders in the center, all-weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, USB, and 110 outlet, as well as heated seat controls and air vents. On the body, grab handles. Up above, hooks and lighting in that panoramic view, and in the back, a sliding back power window. Bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.